Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Hello.
Okay. The basics.
While you read this text, is anything you understand from the text? I just want to start from what you understand.
Tones are kind of important because when we have the same spelling of a word, but if it's different tone, it's a totally different meaning. People learn Chinese, they start with the tones.
Anything you know, it can be a word, a country, a person, whatever you know about Spanish.
I want you guys to pick a question out of this and ask each other. Ich wohne in Wien.
I live in Vienna.
Generose.
Bravissima, generous.
Grazie.
Bravissima.
Bien, perfecto.
You guys did great. You conjugated the first verb in German.
You did amazing, as always. You're so fast.